Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to crochet this bow keychain. It's very quick and easy project, so let's get started. We're going to start with the top part of the bow. First I'm going to make a slip knot. Then I'm going to pull the short end and make the loop smaller and then insert your hook. Now I'm going to make chains. I'm going to make 26 chains, yarn over and pull through the loop on your hook. And in this way I'm going to make total 26 chains. Once you're done with making 26 chain, then into the third chain from hook we're going to make double crochet. So first, second and this one is third. So into this chain we're going to put one double crochet. To make double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook into that chain stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop. You have 3 loops, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. Like this, in each chain stitch we're going to place one double crochet. We'll continue this till the last chain stitch. In this round we're going to have 24 double crochets. To start next round we're going to make 2 chains and then turn the work. In this round we're going to place one double crochet on top of each stitch, starting with the first stitch. So we'll skip the 2 chains and start with the first stitch. To start third row we'll make 2 chains, turn the work and place one double crochet in each stitch, starting with the first stitch. Once you're done with third row, then we'll chain 1 and cut long tail for sewing. We're going to fold the piece in half like this and we're going to sew this part. Then once you're done with sewing, then we'll hide in the loose end and cut the extra yarn. And also hide the other loose end. Now we're going to crochet the bottom part of the bow. So I'm going to start with a slip knot. Then we're going to make 16 chains. Into the second chain from the hook we're going to place one single crochet. So this is the first and this is the second chain. Into that insert your hook, pull up a loop. You have 2 loops, yarn over and pull through both the loops. Into the next stitch place one half double crochet. So yarn over, insert your hook into that stitch and pull up a loop. You have 3 loops, will yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. Into the next 3 chains we're going to place one double crochet. Into the next chain we'll place one half double crochet. Into the next one place one single crochet. And into the next chain we'll make a slip stitch. Insert your hook into that chain, yarn over and pull up a loop and pull through the loop on your hook. Now into the next stitch we're going to place one single crochet, one half double crochet into the next stitch, then one double crochet in next 3 stitches. Into the next stitch we'll place one half double crochet, and into the last one we're going to place 3 single crochets. Now we're going to work on the other side. Now into the next stitch, which is this one, we're going to place one half double crochet, and one double crochet next 3 stitches. Into the next stitch we'll place one half double crochet, into the next one place one single crochet, and make slip stitch into the next stitch. Then one single crochet into the next one, one half double crochet into the next stitch, one double crochet in next 3 stitches. Into the next stitch we'll place one half double crochet, and into the last one we're going to place 2 single crochets, and we're going to join with slip stitch into the first stitch. And then we'll cut the yarn. We'll fold the piece in half like this. Then I'll take the red yarn and start wrapping it around in the middle of that piece. Then also take the bottom part, place it in this way, and wrap the yarn around both of the pieces. Then using a yarning needle, we'll secure it at the back. Then we'll insert the needle and come out from the top of the bow. Then we'll take the key ring and insert it like this. and hide in the loose end. And then we'll cut the yarn. So we are done with the tutorial. I hope you like this tutorial. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.